Dear busy creators and coaches, if you'd rather lick the bottom of your boot, then subscribe to another competitor's email list so you can try to reverse engineer their funnel and swipe their copy and funnel hack your way to the 2 Comma Creator Club, you're not alone. I know you've worked really hard to get where your online business is today. You've done a lot of DIY, hustled, bought the courses, joined the masterminds, but you're stuck. You've hit a plateau. Maybe revenue is flatlined, even though you are busier than ever. So what gives? You're slowing yourself down by doing everything yourself. All that DIY, tinkering with tools, sequencing your own sales funnels, it's not working anymore. What got you here, don't get you there. Catch my drift? Okay. I'm Brad Hussey from doneinoneday.co. I'm a creator like you, and when I started my course business, I did everything myself. It worked while I was doing it as a side hustle, but when I went full-time, I was a bottleneck. And the main reason I'm still in this game making a good living as a creator 10 years later, I realized that if I kept DIYing everything, my business would fizzle out. So I got out of my own way, and I hired people to do the stuff that I shouldn't be doing, but knew I had to do in order to scale. That was it. That put me on the right path. Yet so many creators don't have that, and they're trapped. Funnel hacking, watching yet another webinar, and copying other creators hoping it'll change everything for their business. Huge fail. But those who get out of their own way and allow others to help, they're the ones who succeed. I know because I see it every week. They're my clients over at doneinoneday.co. So what do? We build high-converting done-for-you email funnels in ConvertKit for busy course creators, coaches, and high-ticket consultants who want to 2x, 3x, even 10x their incoming leads, explode their course sales, get back-to-back call bookings, scale up their marketing while they sleep. And we do this in one day for a flat fee. Seriously. And there's room for you too. But we book up real fast. Usually with repeat clients, who are very happy, by the way. Like Deborah, who said this: "You made my life easy. This was one of the best experiences I have ever had online." Why? Because not only did we lift a huge load off her already busy work schedule, but we boosted her daily opt-ins by 400%, literally overnight. Deborah has a very popular fashion blog with monthly website traffic that'd make most of y'all jealous. But bless her heart, that big traffic wasn't converting to leads, which means big bucks being left on the table each and every day. So what did you do, Brad? I thought you'd never ask. We fired her old email strategy, like, "You are the weakest link. Goodbye." Then we installed our expertise directly into her business. And then what happened? We boosted her daily opt-ins by 400%, exploded engagement with her fans, and added hundreds of names to her course waitlist overnight. No biggie. How do y'all think that Deborah will do when she launches that course? I'm thinking Prada bag. And that's just one of our many repeat clients. Like Scott, an actual rock star, by the way. Scott's a touring sound engineer for big names like Macklemore and Khalid. He's also a creator at theproductionacademy.com. He booked an intensive with us to build out an offer funnel for his email subscribers. Loved the experience, the time saving, and the end product so much that he went ahead and booked 2 more back-to-back intensives. This time to give his entire email marketing strategy a complete overhaul. I'm talking top to bottom, everything runs on autopilot, building his list, nurturing engaged leads, launching his courses, selling memberships on total autopilot. Like Scott's off being a rock star, doing this, while his online course business is on fire. 24/7. Here's what Scott said: "I've been struggling with getting my ConvertKit automations to the next level, and when I heard about Done in One Day, I knew it was exactly what I needed. Turns out I was right. It went so well, we already booked 2 more days." So if you are building an online business, sell courses, coaching, or services, you want to double your incoming leads, boost sales and subscriber engagement, and you want the whole thing set on autopilot so you can focus on your students, clients, and business, not all the techie stuff, that's what we do with our Done in One Day ConvertKit funnel service. Basically, we'll research your business and goals, build a custom scalable marketing engine right within your ConvertKit account, provide an easy to watch training video on how to use everything, hand over the instruction manual, and set the whole thing on autopilot so you can kick back, work on your biz rather than in it. Take a little me time, stress less, fire your DIY department, generate more revenue with less work and less time, and get a weird sense of joy knowing that your competitors want to funnel hack you. Cool? Then grab 20 minutes on my calendar. I'll audit your current strategy, we'll talk it out, and find out if I can help you scale your business with email automation. If we're both a fit, and I'm confident that our done-for-you ConvertKit strategy is going to be fire for you and your business, I'll invite you to be our next client. Then we'll get to work. But please know, we routinely raise our price. We only work with 4 clients at a time and book up real fast. But it's worth every dollar, and you'll wonder why you didn't hire us sooner. Okay? Chat soon.